In today's video, I will walk you through how to import data from Excel in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, access your Salesforce account and move into the main dashboard where your records and data management tools are available. Inside Salesforce, navigate to the Contacts section, because this is where the contact data from your Excel file will be imported during this process. Before uploading anything into Salesforce, make sure the Excel spreadsheet has already been saved in CSV format. Salesforce uses CSV files for importing data, so the spreadsheet must be converted before continuing. If the file is still in a normal Excel workbook format, the import option may not process it correctly. Once you are inside the Contacts area, locate the option labeled Import. Select that option to open the Contact Import section. Salesforce will then display the area where CSV files can be uploaded for importing contact information into the system. Continue by selecting the option to upload contacts using a CSV file. After moving to the next screen, Salesforce will prompt you to upload the file stored on your computer. Locate the CSV file prepared from Excel and select it from your storage window. Once the correct file has been chosen, continue by selecting Open so the file can upload into Salesforce. After the upload finishes, move forward by selecting Next. Salesforce will now begin the field matching stage. During this process, the columns from the CSV file will appear on one side, while the Salesforce contact fields appear on the other side. This is where you review how the imported information will connect to the correct fields inside Salesforce. Take a moment to carefully review the field matching before starting the import. If a field does not match automatically, manually assign it to the correct Salesforce field. In this example, the date of birth column from the CSV file needs to be connected to the birth date field inside Salesforce. Once all fields are reviewed and matched correctly, continue by selecting Start Import. Salesforce may display a confirmation message reminding you to review the mappings before continuing. After confirming everything looks correct, select Continue, Import to begin processing the data. Salesforce will then begin importing the records from the CSV file. During this stage, a loading process will appear while the contacts are being added to the account. Depending on the number of records included in the file, the process may take a few moments to complete. After the loading process finishes, the imported contact data will automatically appear inside the Contacts section in Salesforce. The import process is now complete, and the uploaded records will be available inside your account. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.